Bay windows have long been admired for their beauty and ability to transform a home's exterior. In Redmond homes, however, these windows provide much more than just style. They can also deliver notable energy efficiency advantages. With thoughtful design and professional installation, Bay windows help homeowners lower utility bills, improve comfort, and even increase long-term property value. Let's explore why Bay windows are such a smart investment for Redmond families looking to balance aesthetics with energy savings. Natural light reduces energy usage. One of the biggest advantages of Bay windows is their ability to flood a room with natural light. Multiple angles of sunlight. Because Bay windows are made of 3 or more panels that extend outward, they allow light to enter from different directions. Less need for artificial lighting. With more daylight streaming in, homeowners can keep lights off longer during the day. Health benefits. Natural light creates a brighter, more inviting environment, boosting mood and reducing eye strain. This not only lowers electricity use but also creates a more cheerful living space. Improved ventilation and airflow. Energy efficiency isn't just about reducing heat transfer, it's also about managing airflow. Bay windows often incorporate operable units, like casement or double-hung windows, alongside a fixed center pane. Cross ventilation. Multiple opening points allow fresh air to circulate, reducing the need for fans or air conditioning on mild Redmond days. Flexible design. You can open one side or both, controlling airflow to your comfort. Reduced indoor stuffiness. Better ventilation means fresher air without added energy costs. This balance of airflow and insulation contributes to year-round energy savings. Insulation with advanced glass options. Older Bay windows were sometimes seen as energy liabilities, but today's designs use advanced technology to combat heat loss and gain. Double or triple pane glass. Multiple layers with insulating gas between them minimize heat transfer. Low E coatings. Reflect infrared rays to keep heat inside during the winter and outside during the summer. Thermal breaks in frames. High-quality vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum frames are engineered to reduce heat conduction. With these features, modern Bay windows keep Redmond homes warm in cooler months and cooler during summer heat waves. Enhanced home comfort. Energy-efficient Bay windows go beyond lowering bills. They improve how your home feels every day. Even indoor temperatures. Well-insulated Bay windows prevent hot and cold spots near large glass surfaces. Draft-free living. Professional installation ensures tight seals to eliminate unwanted airflow. UV protection. Special coatings reduce glare and protect furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading. These features make living spaces more comfortable while reducing the strain on your HVAC system. Long-term value and savings. While energy-efficient Bay windows are an investment, they deliver significant returns over time. Lower monthly utility bills. Savings add up quickly, especially during seasonal extremes. Durability. High-quality materials resist warping, rotting, or corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. Increased resale value. Buyers in Redmond value homes with energy-efficient upgrades, especially stylish features like Bay windows. This makes Bay windows not just a beautiful addition but also a financially smart one. The importance of professional installation. To enjoy the full energy efficiency advantages, Bay windows must be installed correctly. Precision fit. Prevents gaps that allow heat transfer or moisture intrusion. Structural reinforcement. Because Bay windows project outward, proper support ensures long-term durability. Code compliance. Professional installers ensure your windows meet Redmond's building standards. A flawless installation maximizes performance and protects your investment for decades. Final thoughts for Redmond homeowners. Bay windows offer the perfect combination of style and substance. Not only do they add elegance and character to your home's exterior, but they also deliver meaningful energy efficiency benefits. From reducing reliance on artificial lighting to improving ventilation, insulation, and indoor comfort, modern bay windows are designed to perform beautifully in every season. If you're considering a window upgrade, bay windows are a smart choice that provides both immediate comfort and long-term savings. With professional installation, you'll enjoy a brighter, more energy-efficient Redmond home that looks as good as it feels.